Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about the database concept. This is very important. From this chapter's 4 marks questions you will get. First of all, database concept. What is the data and database? Database is an organized collection of data. Means data is a collection of organized. Organized means in a good manner or in either in a table form. Okay, you can visualize as it is a container of informations. Yes, the data is typically organized to model relevant aspects of reality. For example, the availability of rooms in hotels in a way that supports process requiring this information. For example, finding a hotel with vacancies. Suppose if you own a stationery shop, you need to keep the details record of materials available in your shop. You also need to store information about pricing, stock levels for reordering old stocks, etc. Here students, you can see that we have some database software such as MySQL, Office, OpenOffice.org base and Microsoft Access. In these softwares we can make the database and make the tables and access the data and changes the data, okay, as per your requirements. The database concept has evolved since the 1960s to ease increasing difficulties in designing, building and maintaining complex information systems, typically with many concurrent end users and with a large amount of diverse data. In these lessons, we will learn about the database concept to work with a database management system, DBMS. What is the DBMS? A database management system is a software package with computer programs that controls the creation, maintenance and use of database. It allows organizations to conveniently develop database for various applications. A database is an integrated collection of data, records, files and other objects. A DBMS allows different users, application programs to concurrently access the same database. Well-known DBMSs include Oracle, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, PostgreSQL, MySQL, Foxflow and SQLite. These are the database softwares in which we can make the database. Data can be organized in two types, flat file and relational. Flat file in which the data is stored in a single table, usually suitable for less amount of data. Yes, if we have the less amount of data, then we can store the data in a single files. But if we have the large data, then we will make this multiple tables in which we can store the data. So such type of data is called the relational. Data is stored in multiple tables and the tables are linked using a common field. This common field is called the keys. We will discuss in keys in further slides. Relational is suitable for medium to large amount of data. Next, database server. What is the database server? Database servers are dedicated computers that hold the actual databases and run only the DBMS and related software. Typically, databases available on the database servers are accessed through command line and graphic user interface tools referred as a front end. Database servers are referred as a backends. Such type of data access is referred to as a client-server model. Yes, suppose if you having the database and of any companies and you want to access this database, then we will use the front end and back end. Back end means where the data can be stored. Okay. Children's, whenever we open any softwares, then we will see the front end means screen. Which screen you are seeing, that is the front end designing parts. And that backend means how to manage a database. All works on the database in the backend. Teams can handle the data. Okay. Client server model. In the client server model, client send the request and server response. Server response server. What are the server? Database servers, which provide the services to the database clients. What are the clients? Clients are the users. If I want to access my accounts or transactions, last 10 transactions, then I will send the request to the servers. Then server provide the service and response. Okay. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, is a database management system that is based on the relational model as introduced by EF Code of IBM's